If you want to filter out explicit content in Google search, or if Safe Search is blocking search results, you have come to the right place. In this video, I will show you how to turn Google Chrome Safe Search on or off step by step. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type google.com/preferences, then hit enter. This will take you directly to Google's search settings page. Now look for the Safe Search Filters section near the top of the page. You will see the options filter, blur, and off. If you want Safe Search on, select the filter option. This will block explicit images, videos, and websites from your search results. If you want a softer version, you can choose blur, which blurs explicit images but doesn't remove them completely. If you want Safe Search off, simply select. This will show all search results without any filtering. Now let's check if Safe Search is locked. Sometimes Safe Search is locked by your network administrator, your Google account settings, or parental controls. To check, go back to Google Preferences. If you see a message saying Safe Search is locked, it means you don't have permission to turn it off. If you are using a Google account with parental controls, you will need to ask the account owner to adjust the settings. If Safe Search is locked by your internet provider or school, you might not be able to disable it unless you switch networks. If you are using a mobile device, the steps are almost the same. Open Google Chrome, go to Google Preferences, and adjust the Safe Search settings just like on a computer. And that's it. Now you know how to turn Safe Search on or off in Google Chrome in just a few steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.